Hello, and welcome to Cultivate, Craft, Create Geometric Snowman. The Geometric Snowman kit has 2 pieces of paper with the patterns printed on them. You will also need scissors, white glue, a straight edge, a sharp tool like an X-Acto knife, razor, or the tip of a compass, I use an unfolded paper clip for precise glue application. First, very carefully cut out the pattern pieces along the solid lines. There are very faint lines that cross through the pieces of the pattern. Use your straight edge and very sharp tool and line the straight edge up with the very faint lines, and then score the paper so that you can make sharp folds. Do not cut all the way through the paper. Fold along the scored lines and carefully and precisely apply glue to the tabs. I like to make a little puddle of glue and then spread it using an end of a paper clip. Glue the tab to the adjacent triangle. Continue gluing the tabs all the way around the top and the bottom. The final tabs are tricky to glue because you can't get your fingers behind them. When you're done with the head, you'll use the same process to do the nose, the hat, and the body of the snowman. Once all of your parts are complete, just attach them. And now your geometric snowman is complete. Thank you.